It's family weekend on the U of A campus, and with thousands of parents, brothers, sisters, cousins, aunts, and uncles looking on, the Wildcats take the field to host the California Golden Bears. Thanks for joining us wherever you might be. It's a beautiful night in Tucson, and tonight, two teams with plenty to prove will do battle on the field turf of Arizona Stadium. The Wildcats own a 2-3 record. The Bears are 3-1. Both teams possess the ability to make big plays on offense. Both have made improvements on defense. Whose run defense will be tougher tonight? That will tell us a lot about the eventual outcome. California hasn't won a game in Tucson since 2004. That's 2004. The Wildcats are looking to extend that drought. Steps up in the pocket, fires towards the end zone, got a man open, it is caught, touchdown, Arizona!
What a pass by Khalil Tate. It was a deep slant over the middle. Just a perfect pass.
From behind, breaks a tackle over the 30, out to the 33, gets decked. McElwain to throw, straight back, fires over the middle, and it's picked off. Wildcats with the ball back the other way, loose at the 35-yard line, crossing to the 40, out near midfield, ball punched away, and it's loose, picked up by Arizona, and the Cats are going to score and take the lead. Unbelievable play. Over the middle, and it's tipped, intercepted, taken away by the Wildcats. Arizona back the other way, on the run to the right, down to the 40, 35 to the 30, and out of bounds. First down, Wildcats.
It's Scotty Young.
Play fake, back to throw. He is hit and sacked, and the ball comes loose, and the Cats have got the ball at their own 38. McElwain back to throw on first down. Throws right, intercepted, picked off. That is a pick six, and the Cats, Scotty Young into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona. Bears down by 10. McElwain to throw. Here comes the rush, and he's grabbed and sacked. Back at the 31-yard line. 5 seconds remain. Wildcats get the win on family weekend. They go to 500, and this defense deserves the gold star of the night.
Man, what a game. What a game by the Arizona defense.
Incredible second half. Final score, Arizona 24, California 17.
Took everybody. Defense. Unbelievable job. Unbelievable job. Right? Third down stops, fourth down stops, and most importantly, turnovers. And not only just turnovers, but turnovers for touchdowns! Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. Hey, listen, we finished up with special teams. Nice plays at the end. It's a team win, 4 quarters, right? That's what we wanted to do. Everything else is going on, all right? But tonight, let's celebrate this thing, all right?